mask is made up of 4 components: base, cover, filter, and straps. The Action A95 washable respirator is designed to provide reliable protection while maintaining a lightweight, secure fit. These respirators provide comfortable protection against certain solid and liquid particles. Filtration efficiency has been tested to perform at 95% as delivered. Continued washing will reduce the efficiency of the cloth filter pad over time. We recommend no more than 5 hand washings for the best filtration efficiency. After that, you should replace the filter. Between washings, we recommend heating the filter pad in an oven to 170 Fahrenheit, 77 Celsius, for 30 minutes each day. Filter efficiency has been tested and does not degrade at these temperatures. Note: the cloth filter pad color depends upon the cloth manufacturer and may not be white. Wash both the filter pad, cover, base, and straps before first use. Weekly hand wash cleaning of cloth filter pad helps ensure a clean respirator filter. When removing the filter from the mask, do not shake the dirty filter. This will minimize the dispersal of particles trapped within the filter. In a small bowl, mix 2 cups of water and half a teaspoon of any dish soap. Use this mixture to hand wash your cloth filter for 30 seconds by squeezing the filter pad material between your fingers. Rinse the soap out of the filter pad under running cold or warm water, not hot. Remove all soap by squeezing out the filter pad. Now you can either air dry or use a conventional clothes dryer on a delicate cycle. Your filter pad is ready to use when dry. Using the same mixture bowl of soapy water, wash your base, cover, and straps for 30 seconds to remove dirt. Do not shake the dirty base, cover, and straps before cleaning it. This will minimize the dispersal of particles. Then rinse your mask under running warm water. You can now dry your base, cover, and straps, and it's ready to assemble. Between weekly washings, we recommend heating the cloth filter pad in an oven to 170 Fahrenheit, 77 Celsius, for 30 minutes each day. You can use a small oven to kill viruses daily, or a larger conventional oven will also do nicely. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit before putting the cloth filter pad in. Do not put your base, cover, and straps in the oven. Your filter is ready to use after heating.